Hello everyone, welcome to an episode of Playing a New Game. Today, I'm playing a newly added game to Roblox, Radar Chasers. This game is still in alpha, so expect some changes in the near future. Let's check the forecast that was given to us. It's a moderate risk day, and the Cape, Wine Shear, and Dew Point looks good. Humidity isn't going to be good for us since we need to look at these tornadoes. Let's see what cities, towns are in this map. Before that, we already have a supercell forming by the looks of it. This first large town is named Birchfield. A small residence area named Westview. Another town named Valleyton. Hampton is also over there. Probably the largest town on this map, Oakington. South of that, we have Delia. We also have Hawthorne right here. And Jamestown. And right here, we have the only city on this map, Wilkesburg. I'm probably missing a town or two, but for now, those are all the places here. This supercell is pretty large. It could hit a town. Well, since that's all to talk about, let the first day begin. Here's our first tornado to watch terrorize towns around. Speaking of, this tornado is already at 180 miles per hour wind speed, which is exciting to see. However, it's heading to rural area, so we're just expecting it to destroy some trees. There is another supercell forming in the distance though.
I wish this thing would hit a building so we could watch this game's damage effects.
Me too, water. Maybe we'll see that happen later on. Looks like this supercell is close to have a wall cloud form. And Delia looks to be in its way. This tornado is still thriving well. Oh wow, look at the size of this wall cloud.
Oh my goodness, it's huge.
It still has weak winds, but the funnel hasn't dropped down yet. Never mind, it just did. Look at that, it's already getting strong, and it's heading for Delia.
Rest in pepperonis, Delia.
This tornado seems to be lifting, so this area is safe from damage.
I think the tornado might miss Delia.
Yeah, it's moving in a direction to where it will miss Delia, probably. Look at that, another supercell growing, and it's heading for Jamestown. Actually, it's probably going to hit Hawthorne. This one's taking forever to hit Delia.
Derpy, look at the other storm.
Huh, so it's growing at a rapid speed. So this tornado can drop down at a good time to hit Hawthorne. Here it comes. Looks like Hawthorne will be the first town to get hit. Brace for impact. I mean, it is weak, but I was expecting larger damage, large wind field, however. So apparently, that one hit from the tornado injured 33 people and killed 24. I mean, the game is in alpha, but still, that's too much. This tornado did hit Delia, but now it's past and dying.
That's horrendous.
Now look at this. One small hit and 161 injured and 101 killed. That's something that this game should change first. Some clouds are moving through this really large forest. This one right here is another supercell, but it's just going to go over rural area. This tornado is still destroying stuff. Harsh. I also want to point out that the main idea of this game is to just watch storms form into supercells and sprout tornadoes that can either go through rural area or cause havoc, endangering towards towns and cities.
This day was pretty boring.
Well, some days can be a little boring, but soon we'll probably get a crazy day. And now, the blue sky has turned shallow, as it is now night. So today, Delia and Hawthorne got hit. Delia had 161 injured and 101 deaths, while Hawthorne had 33 injured and 24 deaths. Here's this supercell, with its funnel touching down in rural area. Shocker. Meh, this thing is pretty weak. One thing I like about this game, its mass production of supercells, so you don't get bored easily. Day 2 is here, so let's see what the new forecast stats are for today. Cape sucks, wind shear and lapse rate is good, and then humidity is stupidly high, so it'll be more difficult to see the tornadoes. This tornado is about to hit Wilkesburg, but it's weak, so it won't do any major damage. Knew it. Finally, the darkness is over. And that same exact tornado that was hitting Wilkesburg had a twin tornado formed, but it is well weak. Or they will just shift and miss Wilkesburg. This supercell is pretty large. Well, all these tornadoes have been weak, So that'll do it for this episode. This video was just a small preview of the game and its mechanics, and I highly recommend you trying it out at least onk. I'm Derpy Boy, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.